Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is cigar humidifier. I'm going to show you how to set the temperature and how to use this machine. This is a brand wise China brand, Fuke brand, you can see here. This one I'm going to show how to set temperature, how to before using what we can do. Everything I'm going to explain to you now. We go to the next step and I will explain to you. Now before setting, we have to fill up the water here. You can see we can take this tray here, and after that we have to fill the water. While you are going to fill the water, you have to take distilled water. This one you can see here. This is from UAE, ADNOC distilled water. This water only we can use. Don't use any other water because it is harm to this is cigar humidifier. Because of that, now after this one already having water, because of that I'm not going to use fill up here water. This, don't forget, you have to fill the water, distilled water only. Defrosting time also water coming to the tray, because of that no need to fill up always water. Having two fan here, also having two fan, air circulation fan. Now I'm going to show you how to this setting temperature. Now I already given power connection here. You can see here this one. Now I cannot do, I am not able to do anything because already here lock. You can see here it is key already locked. We have to release the lock first here. While 3 seconds we have to press here. You can see it is already gone, now blinking lock. After that, this one up and down, increasing and decreasing. This one set temperature setting. This one if you need Celsius or Fahrenheit, you can here. This one is bulb. You can see it is, we can increase decrease bulb light also. It's like that, off and increase light. It's like that. Also this one you can separate this one setting on and off. You can see here it should be stable, and this one set. Now I'm going to set here. Normally all the humidifier should be the temperature cabinet, inside the cabinet, otherwise storage 23 20. Also humidity control, humidity volume, it should be below 80. That's mean in between 70 and 80. Now for example I am selecting here, you can see here I am selecting 75 71 I already kept. Also temperature Celsius 23. Now I'm going to increase up to 23. Also humidity percentage is 76. It should be actually always, that's why I'm telling always, I'm telling it should be below 80, because the humidity it should be controlled up to 80, in between 70 and 80. Otherwise your cigar will get damaged because of that. Again my dear, I will show you again how to setting the temperature. Now you can see dear friends, it's already got lock. Now while pressing lock here, you can see it press 3 seconds, after that it will release. Now you can see here it is blinking. Now we can increase and decrease from here to there. Now here also temperature, whatever you can select temperature, Fahrenheit or Celsius. It should be actually in between 25 23 cabinet temperature. We can increase the light and decrease light below. Before also I show you. I'm not going to show you again that one. But important thing is humidity controller. Humidity percentage it should be always up to uh, up to 70-75. That's mean below 80. We can select through here. Again I'm showing this is up and down, increase and decrease. This is lock switch. We have to press 3 seconds. After that it will release. After that only we can whatever selection we can do. Here cabinet temperature, inside the temperature should be always 25, 23, 20 like that, not more than 20. If it is below 20, your cigar will get damaged. It's much cool, too much cool it will come. Because of that, it should be actually in between 23 and 25. Always here humidity control percentage it should be 70, below 80 mean always explain to the customer keep 75, 76 like that, here like that. That is the setting process with this humidifier. I think you know something, you learn something about the humidifier, how to select the humidity controller and temperature setting. This is the way. Now I have to check this one. I'm keeping the same specification. That's mean 72 humidity percentage. Also temperature 20. I'm decreasing up to 20, and I'm keeping like that. After that, I can understand. I can check also this humidifier, because earlier I repair this one. Now my job already completed. I think you know, you learned something. That's my goal. And also we will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.